Friday, August 30th, 09:26 a.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. This is part two of my day trading video. I just took two more trades. The market's about to open in a few minutes, like 3 minutes. So I want to update you before the market opens. I thought I was done for the day. I had two nice setups. I took them. They were both profits. I'm a happy camper. So now I'm considering myself done for the day because took three trades, all winners. I don't want to take any more risk. Yeah, so looking here on my flex grid, 5-minute chart down here, 1 minute on the right, 15-minute on the top. Again, top left, 15-minute, bottom left, 5-minute, and the right, 1 minute. So I had a setup here, and I liked it because it came down to this key level down here. Let me show you on the 5-minute. Yeah, so we had this sell-off here on the 1 minute, bullish pin bar, reversal. I went long. After we cleared this first green candle, I went long right there, and then went up here, and I moved up my stop, and I closed out right here during this candle when it was down. And then it went lower, lower. Thank goodness I closed that short. I closed that long, so that was a nice profit. Nice. Caught it at the right spot and got out near the highs. Next candle, look here at the 5-minute. I like this 5-minute engulfing candle down here. We broke this 1 hour low, the blue horizontal line. We broke below it. And I was looking at multiple time frames, thinking, yeah, that might be just building consolidation reversal. That green candle, 5-minute, looks like an engulfing candle. And I waited for we break above that. And I went long here on the 1 minute. I went long, broke above it. And we took off like a rocket ship. And then I know we're coming close to the 9:30 open. So I closed my trade right here. So both of those were great. And also, I was disappointed here on the 15-minute. Thought something would work out. It didn't work out. So here on the 15-minute, see this big red candle here? I labeled that midpoint. Didn't work out. So that I didn't trade. You can see here on the 5-minute right there and on the 1 minute right there. I was thinking that might be a short. We can see what happened here. Zoom in some more. On that red horizontal line. We did have a bearish pin bar right there, but I wasn't confident. It just didn't have a setup after it. So I didn't go short. Thank goodness. I did not go short. Nope. And like I said, I took that long. Like I said, look at that. We got 1 minute before the market opens and they're already dumping it. So nice. I got out of here. So let me show you the other one I got going. Ding dong, bills open. Oh, the other one was the setup. Here you go. So on the 15-minute chart here, we have this 15-minute candle, that big wick on the bottom. I got that white horizontal line. And then we have this 15-minute red candle here, the high. I have that white horizontal line. And between that, three candles set up, I labeled midpoint right here, that gray vertical line. And my thought was, okay, we're going to be bearish. We'd look for retracement up there, look for bearish. But down here, again, could trade bullish running up to. So see that 15-minute candle right here, that green one that just got done at 9:30, went up, tested it, rejected it. Huge wicks retested it. And I took the long riding it up and going short. Well, it was New York Open. I don't want to be in a trade or placing one at that particular moment. So let's look back here. See? So as I got in here, again, because I like that bullish engulfing candle here, that green one, and got long in that break above that. And we ran up, and then my first target was here. See, we test that 15-minute. I showed you that bottom of that 15-minute one. Did when we ran up to that midpoint right there, consolidation dump. So now we're open the New York session. Let's go back to the 15-minute just to see some stuff. Yeah. Here's the high so far of the day. Zoom out. And here's the low of the day. which happens to be the Asian session. There we go. Let's take it to the 5-minute. First, bing bong, the market's open. Said, so all the stock indexes are green. Look, all the stock sectors. The only one that's not green is XOE and all the Magnificent Seven. The only one red. So again, a lot of green across the board. Monday's a holiday. Today, expecting light trading volume. Looking here on the 5-minute chart. Very disappointing on this. Again, this is the London session. Not this point on the London session, but see the London session, high, low. They pumped us up into that 8:30 news. That orange vertical line was 8:30 news. When you see my vertical lines that are orange, typically there's a news event. So they pumped it up. They dumped it, ran it down back deep into the London session. And then we got economic news at 9:45. Let's take this to the 1 minute. Zoom in. So here we are on the 1 minute. Again, this orange vertical line was 8:30 news, which they pumped it up to that midpoint right there on that 4-hour. Well, that was a sweet spot too. That was the short that I didn't take. Disappointing. And then, like I said, the economic news right here, 8:30, they pumped it up to that hourly high and dumped it. Again, I went long there, closed there. And then the next one took long there and closed there. Just sweet spots today. Happy camper. Sweet spots. You know, who knows how it's going to play out for the rest of the day. But I'm done. Going to shut down. Go to the gym. I did what my goal was. Not to lose nothing. Not to lose nothing. And my targets worked out good. Some of these overlap too. It was interesting. Some of these events. And as you see that 1 minute playing out, which I want to go back here and show you. There we go. Using this as my setup, the flex grid. For scalping. Day trading. Yep. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. That's it.